Welcome back to another Unbox with me in the Unbox with Rex series. Where all my little peptides will go, so I guess it'll go over like that.
It's a two-parcel kind of day. AgeMate. Look at all the things that... It's not cheap, it's $79 a month. I love it. I think this might be my epi talent. Love how these peptides are sent to you. Ooh. Well, it comes in a teeny tiny little box. So you get the back water for it and the localized powder. So when I scan that QR code, it brings up episode 10 of season 1 of the comedy series AP Bio. That's nothing to do with Australian peptides. There's been some confusion there. Mascara for old ladies. Okay, what do we think? Old lady mascara. I suspect to be a peptide. I love the way these come. The product was good, but the way it comes is hilarious. All the lab certs and online. I suppose just because it doesn't come in fancy wrapping doesn't mean it's not legit. This special pepper has appeared at my front door. Oh, yes. Ooh. Isn't this nice? I'll be using the lift. I've been waiting for this so I can study it in my pepper research. Not sponsored, but very happy. That's my weekend sorted this weekend.